With over 40 years' experience in the UK and Ireland marketplace, the BSH Group is a premier provider of advanced heating and constant air systems to commercial and industrial premises, industry and large corporate organisations. Businesses of all sizes are faced with the prospect of reducing their carbon emissions or incurring financial penalties in the form of direct or indirect carbon emissions taxation. Existing heating systems can be inefficient, out of date and often polluting, and even relatively recent installations may not reach even the minimum standards set by emissions legislation. This is where a PPR, package plant room, proves its worth. As leading experts in fuel efficiency and biomass heat distribution systems, BSH PPR brings a complete range of project specializations together under one roof, ensuring that from inception to completion and beyond, every aspect of client service is covered. Package plant rooms offer a plug-in and go universal solution with minimum on-site disruption. But every client requirement is different and every site has particular challenges. Multiple location UK and Ireland commissions from organisations such as Tesco, Charleshurst Ferrari and Jeep, and single-site system installations for petrol stations, supermarkets, office and public use premises have all required custom solutions, which BSH PPR has efficiently and professionally supplied. So how does it work? How does a PPR fit into new or existing locations, some with existing fossil fuel systems integral to their ongoing operation? This is Galgorm Castle Golf Club in County Antrim, Northern Ireland, a prestigious location that can't have its ongoing business disrupted or its aesthetic integrity compromised. Its management was very aware of the increasing running cost of their existing fossil fuel system, the impending financial implications of a high carbon footprint, and the growing need for environmental legislation compliance. They came to BSH PPR for a cost-effective long-term solution. There are many different aspects contributing to the specification of a package plant room, but it all starts with a thorough site inspection and measurement of current emissions. The feasibility of the project is ascertained at this point, and site-specific information determines planning and estimating. Because the PPR is modular, once the optimum combination of plant for the location is determined, estimates and project proposals can be turned around quickly. BSH PPR have established relationships with trusted suppliers, which assures the quality of components and that optimum value is achieved for its clients. Cost and project proposals are submitted in detail, with payment options that include recommended paths to obtain grant and subsidy funding, options that in some cases can amount to 100% plus savings in biomass running costs. On commission, the work starts in earnest. Working closely with the project management team, experienced designers combine modules and create layouts that best realize client expectation. Space is effectively managed to create optimum overall unit size and accessibility. Structural modifications are implemented where necessary. Accommodation for the requirements of either fossil or biofuel heat generation is made. Integrating fuel hoppers minimizes on-site intrusion and maximizes ease of use. Space heating and chilled water cooling systems can coexist in compact space. Process hot water for industrial applications, domestic hot and cold water systems. Whatever the specifics of the project brief, PPR design can expertly incorporate them. Of particular importance to the consistent reduction of emissions is the integrated inclusion of PPR environmental control systems. BSH PPR offer in-house services for ongoing monitoring and implementation of this technology, as it does for all necessary safety systems, ensuring both reliability and peace of mind. The basic construction of the package plant room is a precisely measured procedure, strictly conforming to the design parameters which have evolved from site-specific considerations. Location fit is constantly safeguarded by insistence on high standards of structural finishing. This also ensures that the PPR is built to last. With the internal skeleton complete, similar care is given to external finishing, so that plant can operate in a sealed and controlled environment. Only trusted equipment from reputable suppliers is used by BSH PPR. Long-term relationships with many of Europe's leading manufacturers has resulted in specialized knowledge of the mechanical, electrical, heating and water management technology that is combined for each unit. Such relationships enable early-stage problem-solving and first access to innovation, benefiting clients with genuinely state-of-the-art installations that deliver results at the leading edge of the industry. A skilled installation team arranges and interconnects the internal components, always precisely to the customized design. Each unit is separately installed, every element checked and tested by technicians with experience in the relevant technology. At this critical stage, the overview of the project team is focused and exhaustive, and every issue of operation and connectivity is resolved. The completed PPR is signed off only when all are satisfied that the unit meets the highest standards of quality control and will perform as expected. Units have standard lifting features, and sighting is almost a formality, as every aspect of the procedure has been calculated in advance. The unit is prefabricated and complete on leaving, and only a small installation team is required at its destination. BSH PPR is located in Belfast, Northern Ireland, recognised as a convenient European manufacturing hub with easy and fast access to any location in the UK and Ireland. Most destinations can be reached within 48 hours, and many in a matter of hours. Connection and commissioning is careful and thorough, with every aspect of the unit subjected to rigorous checking to ensure that everything works as it should. Finally, an independent commissioning engineer tests and measures the functionality and effectiveness of the system, certifying it for use. And 48 hours after its arrival on site, Galgorm Castle Golf Club has its new biomass heating PPR in operation. This is an example of one specification at one location, but the process remains as efficient, cost-effective and client-friendly no matter how many locations or differing applications are involved. BSH PPR has provided Tesco stores with pre-packaged plant rooms at multiple locations across Ireland, a challenge comfortably met by the logistical and technical acumen outlined for Galgorm Castle Golf Club. For the Charles-Hurst Group's Chrysler Jeep showroom in Belfast, a complete redesign of the existing gas-fired warm air heating system required commercial fan coil systems to heat the workshop facility. And ceiling-mounted fan convectors for the showroom and office areas. All powered by a BSH PPR low-temperature hot water biomass boiler system with gas backup. In this instance, the PPR unit was located inside the existing building. An innovative constant air system was also installed on separate premises for this Ferrari showroom, the first of its kind in Northern Ireland. Both sites qualified for Northern Ireland Renewable Heat Incentive, or RHI, accreditation, effectively eliminating heating costs for the next 20 years. That astounding saving was the result of available financial contribution from the RHI scheme, which BSH PPR will guide and assist clients through to achieve maximum economic benefits. Subsidy and funding from private sources and low capital outlay plans are also available. Overseeing the sometimes confusing applications process is part and parcel of the BSH PPR service, and savings of up to and sometimes over 100% are possible. There is no limit to the capability of BSH pre-packaged plant rooms or to the service ethic that accompanies each project. Maintenance and warranty packages are offered to guarantee a full professional backup service. And to maximize energy use and cost control, full long-term ESCO contracts are available. Package plant rooms from BSH PPR are the industry-leading, emissions-reducing, cost-effective and proven solution to today's heating and air distribution system requirements. Commercial and industrial premises, industry and large corporate organizations are very welcome to get in touch.